let me talk about paintworks, paint damage, accident damage, and how you can spot some issues when you arriving on the vehicle and want to check out, at least to know what to look for and when to stop and when ask inspector to inspect it, or just simply go away. You don't have to be an expert, but just little things will indicate something's not right. Let me show you, watch out. So hi, yeah, this is the Range Rover, right? So when you start inspecting the vehicle, you need to get really close to it, right? And you need to start looking for any sort of blemishes or any fish eyes, anything where you can see like the marks from old sandpaper in a paint, you know, like little marks in a filler, as you can see here. That will indicate the car is resprayed. Any misalignments, anything with the on a paint, like paint peeling off, like say for instance like here. When you're looking from the angle, you can also see like a lemon marks on it. Like on this one you can see when they put a filler on, or they might put a cheap bumper on, you can always look for edges, respray edges where the paint is peeling off. Same thing, you can open a door and feel it inside. There's some roughness, and you can always touch the paint. You will see the differences sometimes where they haven't polished it out properly, or anything which will indicate, you know, like a blisters. Right here you see the a blister, so that means you haven't been prepped or some solvent has been left on it, you know, like here. So for instance, it's a poor repair on a plastic trim, or they just simply resprayed it to get it in a body color to match the body color. Same around here, you can see the plastic pores. That could be like here, you can see the paint is peeling off already when you open a door. So basically when you open the doors and the door edges, over here you can look for any resprays, any marks on a rubber. You know, this one here is some chip and rust developing there. You know, so those little things will always indicate something is not right. Like gap issues here. You see the bumper has been removed, not been fitted correctly. There might be the wing being removed and it's not lining up. So these are little telltale signs when you can feel something is not right, you know. Like quick respray, just get the color match, but then everything's not fitted properly back, and again you can see it's not being prepped and the paint is coming off. That way you can see quickly just for yourself something is not right, you know. So as everyone wants the paint to be in a good condition, so you have to just check it, otherwise you will end up something what you don't want afterwards.